All right, today is another bright day.
Miami is hot today.
Dying of heat.
It's 84 degrees, but it feels like 90.
Do you want to go to the beach or something? Lay down.
Sounds like a good idea. I'm grabbing my beach bag with sunscreen and heading to the beach.
Lay down and chit chat with your daughter all day? Is that what you want to do?
Yeah. What do you want to do?
You know what I want to do? Lucuma drink.
Have you tried lucuma, a fruit native to Peru?
It's true.
There is no way we are staying inside today. Just me and my girls soaking up the sunshine. Because Miami doesn't play when it comes to heat and fun. So let's go. What's your favorite beach essential? Let me know in the comments.